I didn't look this up before, but this is on my recommended. I don't know what that means. I don't know what language that is. Pop-Tarts that I don't have anymore. Oh, that sucks. Man, I think it's the end of the world as I know it. Usually seems to think that I speak a different language and I don't speak my own language. I find it quite interesting. That's just going to tell me that it's in a different language for 10 hours and 10 minutes and 11 seconds. There's other videos that I like watching. That's not one of them. That's all over this. Taste blood. Life of a gamer. Now I'm home, 108. I'm so tired. Now I'm gonna take out the trash because it's filling up really, really, really bad. Tie this up a little bit and then just got lightheaded right now. Sucks, don't it? Like when you just barely get up and just start moving and you just get really lightheaded. Sucks. So cool. I barely go in there. I might do that if I'm going to be moving. In my previous videos, I don't know where my mailbox is. There's a this big sad elevator, and I don't know where my own mailbox is. And I rushing it over and under the reducers. But nope. Squeak. Signs of old age. Taking just barely a few steps, and I'm running out of breath. I don't exercise enough. It's pretty sad. And my other issue is like anytime I eat and I drink a soda or something, I get this belching feeling. And it comes back up, and I don't like belching, so I refuse to. Just anytime I breathe, I'm just like, honestly, you can see me better, look more professional. Dude, I think I get paid pretty soon. There we go. Well, you can kind of see it. 38 cents. I'm gonna get my $1,200 check. I can't wait. I'm gonna get my green screen. You know. So we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna have a lot of fun. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna have so much fun with this channel. Wait, I don't know why I'm covering that. Why am I doing that? I can't talk today, which sucks really bad. So I'm gonna have to probably get off and freaking edit this video for today. So you guys all have a great, awesome, wonderful day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smack that like button right in the rear end, right in the booty. I hope you enjoyed it. At work, today at work, I actually got done with all the grocery stocking before my lunch break. That never happens. We did. Oh my god, look at my beard, so sexy. I love you guys. Don't forget that. I keep looking at myself. I don't know why. I gotta actually look at the lens. Okay. I need to stop looking at my sexy self, but it's really difficult because I'm so hot. Yeah, right. Alright, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to keep a smile on your face, stay motivated and confident. Lone Wolf out.